Welcome to Shopper Intelligence, your gateway to actionable Amazon Marketplace insights powered by Similarweb. Whether you're here to uncover consumer trends, identify new growth opportunities, or drive more traffic to your products on Amazon, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the key reports that reveal what's driving performance so you can turn data into results. Let's dive in. We're starting with sales performance, which gives you a snapshot of any category, brand, or product on Amazon. This report gives you the big picture on what's selling, how much, and who's leading in any space you care about. You'll see units sold, revenue trends, product views, and conversion rates all in one place. Ready? Let's take a closer look. To get started, just pick a category from the Amazon catalog. You'll see units sold, revenue, product views, and average conversion rates across all the brands and products you're interested in. Scroll down the report to uncover top-performing brands and best-selling products. You can also explore top subcategories, a great way to gauge where consumer interest in your industry is growing. Want these updates delivered as they happen? Click the subscribe button to get monthly insights straight to your inbox. Next up is the brand view, where you can dive into how other brands are performing on Amazon to improve your strategy. See which of their products are top sellers or driving the most revenue, giving you valuable insight to shape your own product lineup, including how to describe, how to price, and how to promote your products. If you want to dive deeper into how a specific product is performing, head over to the products section. You'll be able to see how well the product is selling and whether interest is trending up or down. When you select multiple items, you can benchmark across brands or focus on one brand's lineup, including the variations of one product, to uncover what's driving their success and how you can improve your own strategies based on those insights. Product groups are highly customizable, especially with granularity now at the child ASIN level. You can align perfectly with how you measure your business and competition so that you can adequately analyze niche products. Lastly, let's check out competitive benchmarking. With this report, we can directly compare up to 5 different brands, up to 2 different categories, or a combination of 2 in specific categories. It gives you a trended view of who's selling more, who's seeing the most ROI, where shopper interest is strongest, and also which brand has the highest conversions on Amazon. This is especially useful for competitive benchmarking and to see if top competitor brands are gaining ground or launching products that are quickly rising in popularity. For a more precise view, use the combination comparison so that you can drill into specific categories the brands compete in. This will provide you with a more accurate view of their performance within each subcategory, giving a more precise comparison. And now let's move on to search optimization on Amazon, a key use case we help you solve. Search is at the core of online traffic and at the heart of shopper intent. It shows you what people are actively searching for on Amazon, how they discover products, and which brands dominate the results. You'll see the keywords driving traffic to your pages and to your competitors. You can explore both paid and organic keywords, giving you a complete picture of what's driving search visibility across your category. Let's dive in. The first 2 reports in the search module are the category and brand on-site search overviews. Category helps us understand what shoppers search for, how competitive the category is, and gives us the share of clicks acquired organically versus with paid investments. Take a look at product clicks trended over time. Note that a spike in paid clicks indicates increased ad spend, offering you a window into a competitor's Amazon search optimization strategy. When analyzing a brand's on-site search, you can hone in on whether they're bidding on branded or non-branded keywords. You can also use it to see how a competitor is acquiring traffic from consumer searches on Amazon and find out how much traffic they're winning through high brand interest versus organic and paid optimization. For lesser-known brands, it's best to optimize both organic and paid search efforts around non-branded keywords, where the opportunity for visibility growth is clearest. The top keywords view shows exactly that, either for a full category or for a specific brand. When looking at this report under the category view, it reveals what consumers are looking for on Amazon. You can also understand which brands get the most clicks per keyword, giving you greater insight into who's winning traffic for these terms. When you're looking at this from a brand perspective, you can see how many keyword clicks a selected brand gets for each term under brand share. This view also shows total clicks for each keyword. You can click on any one of them for a deeper analysis. With keyword analysis, you can analyze the performance of a single keyword or a group of keywords. Trend the performance across various metrics. Rising search volume indicates increased interest in a product, brand, or topic. Additionally, a rise in clicks signals the increased impacts these keywords are driving. If relevant to your brand, they could be good for you to optimize for. You can also view paid versus organic clicks, top brands and top products, adding more insight into the impact of specific keywords and revealing who's winning from them. Be sure to save your keyword group so that you can set a tracker to monitor your rank position across these search terms. Now let's explore the traffic sources module, your guide to where shoppers are coming from and how they arrive at product pages. First up is the marketing channels view. It shows which traffic sources your competitors rely on to drive shoppers to their products, both within Amazon as well as from external channels leading to their PDPs. This guides your insight into the marketing strategies and the paid versus organic tactics that your competitors rely on. Dig deeper into external search with the Google Search Report, which highlights the keywords users search for on Google to reach Amazon product pages. A smart strategy is to compare the keywords that brands target outside of Amazon with those used inside. Pay attention to their branded versus non-branded keyword mix, and whether they're spending more on Google or Amazon ads to boost visibility. Lastly, check out audience overlap to see how much of your audience also shops on other sites when shopping on Amazon. For example, around 40% of users searching for a MacBook on Amazon also shopped on Apple.com. It sheds light on the role of the selected brand within Amazon and shopper loyalty to that brand. Now let's take a tour through the consumer behavior module, which is a group of reports to help you understand who your audience is and how to target them. First up, the cross-shopping report shows you which other brands consumers are browsing when viewing your products. Make sure to switch between different categories to see how shopping behavior shifts across industries. Basket analysis goes a step further, revealing which other brands shoppers might be buying from alongside your products. Loyalty and retention reports reveal important metrics like purchase frequency, new versus returning customers, days since last purchase, and more. You can also see subscribe and save versus one-time purchases, helping you better understand the stickiness of your brand or category. A high rate of one-time purchases may signal that customers didn't return, or it could just be a facet of the industry or brand at play. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need help using these reports, visit our Knowledge Center. Start exploring shopper intelligence and uncover actionable consumer insights to grow on Amazon.